It is Thursday the 16th and I just got back from class. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. My entire class is going out to dinner tonight, which I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that because I feel like that's kind of weird, but that's why this is a little different right now. Since I'm back so early, my roommate is sleeping because like her and I basically have opposite schedules. But that being said, I'm going to change, get into some comfortable clothes, clean so I can work out here so I'm not bugging her while she's sleeping in there. So let's fix this real quick. So now that that has been taken care of, I need to get to cleaning.
Take it all back, hate the things that you said, cause I wish you didn't mean it. I'm under attack, running far, far away, and I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get through. Push and pull me off into the deep and let's breathe.
So as you can hear, I started the wash. And right now I'm just going to, I'm probably too far away. Now you can probably hear me. So I'm going to basically GYST, and that means get your SHIT together, because I just have like a to-do list a mile long since I've got the rest of today. I got Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday to like get everything together and going and organized. And I have a list in my notes of things that I want to get done certain days. So I just want to organize a notebook with everything that needs to be done over the next couple of days. Everything that I want done on certain days or at certain times. Basically just lay everything out in my planner, lay everything out in a notebook, and then get to work on starting the list.
Took a swing at a wrecking ball and I prayed for my downfall, and I found a way to reconcile, 'cause in my heart it's not worthwhile. It's a bloody battlefield where some go down, others heal. In the end it's all the same. All you can do is play the game. Oh, do we say goodbye? Refuse to question why. I deserve to say I'm sorry, so lie. Pretend that you're okay. Swear that you will stay. Keep trying for one day. I'm sick of all these lies. Don't care if I capsize. There's nothing left for me to hide. Don't wanna live a lie. Too many lows, too many highs. Too many things to criticize. And so I leave it all behind. Don't wanna live a lie.
Talk. It was a second for you, but for me it's been 3 hours? No. I finished cleaning at 11, it's now 2. So, yeah, 3 hours. I know how to do math. Anywho, I have finished most of my things on my to-do list. I think I'm gonna go grocery shopping now. So I don't have to go grocery shopping tomorrow, and then I'll be prepared to do my meal preps. And I can actually probably start them tomorrow instead of starting them on Sunday or Saturday, because my plan was to start them on Saturday. Maybe I can start them tomorrow. I don't know. We're just gonna see with that. My roommate has woken up and left for work, so I can now vacuum, because I didn't want to like run the vacuum earlier and be super loud.
Life kept spitting at my feet and forced me down a dead-end street, when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin, oh, 'cause I don't like the person within. Oh, I know I'm the one to blame.
So this isn't really a before and after technically, because I did already do my makeup this morning, but this is like how I touch up my makeup if I'm gonna basically redo it to go out. Like right now I'm like super shiny. I just have a bunch of creases, yeah, and like creasy mess and everything. So I'm gonna fix that and put on more makeup to go out. Also, if you're wondering like why I'm looking over here, here's a mirror. Hey, wait, there's you. Also, don't mind the clothes hanging.
Y'all's questions. So I posted on the gram at Danielle Carolyn.
I hang my workout clothes to dry because really because Whitney Simmons told me to. So I am.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Yeah, I can't decide on a lipstick. So these. I also have another drawer, but I'm gonna stick with choosing one of these. Because we're gonna go. Anyway, because we're gonna go to dinner. I know that Anastasia will last throughout me eating. So like. Yay, I'm back up to 17%. I just charged the battery and just got my hair wet in the sink. Now I'm going to show you. This is literally how I style my hair. I get my hair wet in the sink. And then I'm going to put my Way to Grow leave-in conditioner in real quick because like love length, want length, Way to Grow, you know. And then here, I should just get stuff out. That would be smart. Okay, I grabbed some kind of spray. I have like 4 or 5 different sprays. This one is the Carol's Daughter Hair Milk Refresher Spray. Love this. It smells really good. And it makes my hair soft. And then a regular leave-in conditioner. And this one's gonna be, this is from GYST, which is gonna help with the curls as well. This one is going to be kind of more up towards the roots. And then my Red King Extreme Anti-Snap. The Red King Extreme Anti-Snap. It's good for dead ends. And it'll repair anything that can be repaired. Which, I got my ends trimmed not that long ago, so they shouldn't be bad, but it was almost out. I'm pretty sure it is out now. No, there's still some in there. And that's it. I walk out with my hair soaking wet and curly and got my hair done. And that was it for this week's video. I'm sorry this is no more official outro. I was just leaving because I'm going to meet with my friend Visser and we're gonna go get lunch and like just have a day, and I'm super excited. But I completely forgot to film my outro. So here it is. I'm sorry about the wind. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like it if you did, and leave a comment down below letting me know. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, and I will see you next time. Bye!